Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel app, select the photo, remove the background, select the rest color, change the background color, select the sticker, change the color, duplicate the color. Then select another shape, remove the background, change the color of shape, change the shape, select the erase, remove the color, duplicate the photo, select the opacity, effect shadow enable button, adjust the photo. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.